Welcome to part 2 of the January 2026 lot walk at Streetside Classics in Tampa. You're watching Drive By Cars with Alan. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe to the channel. We just have this little room here to do, and then the trucks on the other side of that door. Part 1 has been the 4 rows out there. Go back and watch that if you will, please. Little Corvair sitting here. Back in the corner, it's a $24,000 1964 Corvair convertible. I can't really make out what it says other than $24,000. Okay. Monza Spider. Nice white interior. Pretty cool. Little MG. I think it's an MG. Let me make sure. What does that say? I don't know. Oh, it's a Mercedes-Benz. There we go. There's it all. Mercedes-Benz. It is a replica of a 1929 SSK Gazelle. $13,000. There's a little MG, right? Walk down to the back. Take a look at the back. Okay. Interior shot. Okay. Let's get the particulars. $12,000 1977 MG Midget 1500cc motor with a 4-speed manual. There we go. Little Mazda Miata. Okay. It has a 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder and a 5-speed manual. It's a 1999. $11,000. Get a look at the back and the interior. And then there will be one more MG to look at here. A little red one. No particulars on it, so we can move on through to the trucks. And there is music out here, so this might not get monetized, but we'll see what happens. Another little MG sitting here. I see particulars. I'll go ahead and pick up the particulars. $23,000 in 1974 MGB 1.6 liter inline 4-cylinder and a 4-speed manual. $23,000. Okay. Turn around. In front of that is a GMC Sierra 5.3 liter GMC. Nice tonneau cover. Single cab, short bed. Pretty much just like what I drive. Only mine says Chevy and this says GMC. Mine's the 5.3 liter also. How much do they want for this truck? And what year is it? Mine's a 2017. This is an 18. This is a $40,000 truck. Wow. Let's go ahead and get this pickup here while we're here. There we go. It is a Resto Mod, a 1954 Ford F1 Resto Mod. It's got a V8. They want $48,000 for it. It's got a 4-speed automatic. All right. Look at this Lincoln, and we'll head back over. We're really almost done with the whole place, to tell you the truth. It is a $12,000 1994 Lincoln Mark 8. Toyota. Let's walk down. In the back, look at the interior. This is a 1997 Toyota FJ55. No price on it. It's got a 4.2 liter inline 6 and a 4-speed manual transmission. All right. What is behind door number 2? A Ford. 4-door. Let's walk around. Look at the interior. It's a Harley Davidson edition. All right. There we go. F-150 supercharged Harley Davidson motorcycle edition. Let's see how much they want for this and what year it is. It is a 2002 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson, $22,000. All right. Little travel van next to that. Walk around it. $18,000. It's a 2006 Ford Econoline custom van. Okay, take a big look at the back. You can fit a lot of people in there. A lot of people. Double wagon doors there. Companion vans Capri. Nice ladder up the back, double. Both doors open up the back here. Wow, companion vans. I wonder what that means. Go another look at the interior. Okay. Chevrolet pickup truck. Let's get the particulars on it. Look at the interior. 8-ball for a gear handle, shift handle. There's some fitting issues going on there. Fitment. $30,000. It is a, let's get up close so I can read it. 1957 Chevrolet 3100s, 350 V8 crate, 4-speed automatic. Satin black is the color. $39,000. It's got satin black all over it. That grill has just been covered in it, but you can see the pitting in the grill. So that's what that satin does. It covers it up. But everything is satin black, even the rims. Wow. Look inside, velour, satin velour. Wow. All right. $30,000. Ford. 1965 Ford. Wow. Take a walk around it. We're not going to get between this and the Chevy that's behind it, so take that look there. It's got a skull for a shift knob. Oh, excuse me. Go. Let's get the particulars on it. It says $26,000. It is a 1966 Ford F100. It's got a 352 V8 and a 3-speed manual. All right. Moving along. What is this? This is a 98 Chevrolet C1500 custom extended cab, $24,000. Right? Custom extended cab. Okay. There we go. Looks like they've removed the lights, put the lights down below the tailgate. It's been lowered, all that good stuff. Here is a Bronco, red and white, automatic. I say automatic, but it looks like it might be on the tree there. 3-speed manual, yep, 302 V8. It caught me there for just a minute. That's your 4-wheel drive mechanism down there, and it threw me. There's your 3 on the tree, and there's your 4-wheel drive shifter right there. Okay, Bronco. Did we get a price on it? $73,000. It's a 72 Bronco. It has a 302 V8 and a 3-speed manual. Let's go ahead and walk back this Bel Air here. Take a look at the interior. No particulars on it, so it looks like it has some reason that it's back here and not but it's pretty cool, right? We're almost done with part 2. Part 2 is not as long as part 1, that's for sure. No particulars on this Hummer. Come down here and get yourself a Hummer. Dodge tradesman van, little boogie van. That thing is cool. Oh, that chrome across the front of it like that. Chromed out the lights. $37,000, 1977 Dodge D200. It's got a 318 V8 and a 3-speed automatic. Let's see. Probably not going to get to see much down the back there, but it's all set up for living. Living out of it. Well, full kitchen in it. Land Cruiser here with no particulars. And then this Jeep Renegade has particulars on it. It is a, I can't read them. Maybe I can scoot around here and see. Nope, I can't see it. So that's the end of part 2. Thanks for watching. It's been 2 days of lot walks. I've been to Gateway and I've been here to Streetside Classics in Tampa for the month of January 2026. Thanks for watching. I'll keep the camera on until we get out of here. More content, more content. Little bug, I didn't give you the price on this. Beetle Custom, Volkswagen Beetle Custom, $30,000. It has got a 1600cc and a 4-speed manual. It's a 1962. Wow. What a beautiful truck. $37,000. It's a 1967 Ford F1 292 V8 4-speed automatic. What a beautiful truck. It's got cup holders installed in it. And then there's a Chevrolet I wanted to look at before I left here. Wow. That's pretty damn cool. $48,000 is a 72 Chevrolet C10, 350 and a 3-speed automatic. And there's this little black and white one. I say black, looks like it might have a little bit of green in it. Nice pleats in the seats. Nice. Dark green and white, so that's dark green. It's a 350 V8, $45,000. Wow. Roadrunner, Plymouth Roadrunner. This is a $70,000 Roadrunner. Starting that Daytona up again. Go. We will pick up 3 383 on it, on the badging. There we go. $70,000. Plymouth Roadrunner. It is a 1970. It's got a 440 V8 and 4-speed manual. All right, so really, this is the end of part 2. Thanks for watching Drive By Cars with Alan, part 2 at the Streetside Classics in Tampa for the January 2026 edition. See you on the next one.